For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Oh my god, this is big news. We hear that Salman would be hosting the much popular show Kaun Banega Crorepati, and this is indeed a whammer. We did hear that Salman Khan would be hosting Das Ka Dam, another interesting program on Sony. Yes, the channel had to do some homework to get the TRPs up after the famous Kapil Sharma's show became infamous with his mid-air role, with Sunil Grover leading the most of the artists leaving the Comic-Con. Well, now if Salman is set to host Kaun Banega Crorepati, then we wonder what would Big B do, for the most of us watch the show for Big B. Now with Salman looped in, we wonder how the fans would accept him in Big B's place. However, considering the fact that Salman is a very loved host, both on Bigg Boss and once on Das Ka Dam, we guess the viewers would be more than happy to see him more than once a week. Henna, what about
दीपिका, अगले साल क्या पद्मावती को लेकर इस रेड कार्पेट पर जाना चाहेंगे, वहाँ प्रमोट करना चाहेंगे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह की शूटिंग क्या कहाँ पहुँची?
That would be the most ideal case for me. Have we considered that ever?
Well,
but I think, well, let's see. I mean, I think every film has its own sort of journey, and if it's meant to happen, it will happen. As far as I know, Padmavati is definitely scheduled to release in, I think, November this year, and that's what it is for now. But if life has different plans for us and for this film, then let's see. And if not Padmavati, then maybe some other film.
Well, Justin Bieber would be in town soon, and when someone like him is in town, our big bosses of Bollywood, Salman and Shah Rukh, take it upon themselves to host a party for the singing sensation. Reports have it that Mukesh Ambani would also be a part of this too. However, we are waiting for the Canadian pop sensation to say a yes to the party. Considering the fact that Shah Rukh's son Aryan and also youngsters in the Ambani household are all great fans of the pop star, we guess the party is going to happen for sure. But with the hectic schedule that the star is in for and the fact that the party is a post-concert do, we wonder if Justin is ready for it. However, we are quite happy to see the two reminding us of the Karan Arjun days. So what if they are not on big screen as a pair? At least in social circuits they are doing something to remember. Henna. The Dabangg Khan is in action again, but no amount of commitment and shooting schedules could stop him from pedaling along on the streets of Mumbai. Here we see how the Sultan is clad in simple yet stylish blue denims, gearing up for the ride ahead. Yet another picture shows Salman happily pedaling along with a group of buddies. On the work front, Salman is now busy with the second schedule of Tiger Zinda Hai in Abu Dhabi, where he will be sharing screen space with the British beauty Katrina Kaif. The Bhai is also involved in the promotional activities of Tube Light. While we bring more updates from the life of Salman Khan, do let us know what you think of these pictures. With just 2 days more to go for the teaser of Kabir Khan's Tube Light to be launched, the makers have been maintaining the intrigue quotient by sharing a new still from the film with the countdown of the number of days left. In one of the stills, we had witnessed the amazing bonding between Salman Khan and his little co-star Mateen Ray Dangu, and now with just 2 more days to go, the makers have shared a fun picture of Salman and Sohail Khan sitting atop a bus, holding smiles and seemingly happy. A child in the backdrop hints at the presence of Mateen and yet another unknown person. Salman Khan shared this still on his official Twitter account with the caption, "Do bhai aa rahe hai, bas 2 din mein." These posters are slowly trying to give us glimpses of what is to follow, and we hope that tomorrow still features Zuzu along with Salman. Meanwhile, do let us know what you think of this latest still by commenting in the section below. When Dabangg Khan does something, it becomes a norm. Recently, Tiger Shroff shared the first poster of his next venture, Baaghi 2, where he faces against the camera. His well-chiseled back is evident as he oversees the lights of a war zone. The trend had begun with Salman Khan sharing the first poster of his upcoming war-based cross-border love story Tube Light, where he too faced against the camera showing his back. This makes us wonder if Tiger is seeking inspiration from the Chulbul Khan. Anyway, coming back to the poster of Baaghi 2, Tiger shared the poster online with the caption, "Here we go again. #Baaghi 2, #Sajid Nadyadwala." One look at the poster and we are transported to an era of Hollywood action to the tunes of Terminator and Rambo, and Tiger's well-chiseled body does complete justice to it. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below. The South Indian film industry has attained a milestone of sorts, as one of their own will soon be a part of the Madame Tussauds Museum. While the first name to come to your mind would be that of Rajinikanth, it's apparently not true. This time on, the likes of Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan have given a miss, and instead Bahubali star Prabhas has been chosen. The 37-year-old star has shot to fame after his stupendous performance in S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus, and his statue has been unveiled at the Bangkok Museum, from where it would be touring the globe for the world to see. With this move, he has come down in history and made a mark on one and all. He is also one of the most searched stars on Google, and his statue would be standing proud beside eminent personalities like Mahatma Gandhi and Narendra Modi. The statue features Prabhas in his Amrendra Bahubali grandeur. This makes the film immortal in the process. So isn't this an exciting news? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, we do know that Tiger Zinda Hai is the next upcoming Salman flick after Tube Light, and we have told you that he is shooting for it with Katrina Kaif across the world. Well, the good news is that the movie would have all helicopters and military personnel used in the flick in guest roles. Isn't that so fantastic? For the raw Indian-Pakistan connection would also have these personnel in major roles, and we are digging this effect. Salman's Tiger Zinda Hai has been shot in Austria and then in Dubai and Abu Dhabi and Morocco. He has already done the studio shooting at Yash Raj Studios in Mumbai, and the actor has not delayed a minute for completing the flick. Well, we are sure that Sallu is on a roll, for with Tube Light, his Eid release claiming to cross 400 crores, we know for sure this guest role is only gonna add to the interest quotient of Tiger Zinda Hai. Henna? This picture of Salman and Sohail from the upcoming Eid release Tube Light is so striking. Yes, for all those who thought that Salman's Tube Light pictures are over in the media, well, here it is for you to enjoy. Sohail and Salman on a bicycle. How cute can that get? And Salman seemingly loving the entire thing. Salman, as we told you, would be shown as a very slow learner who conquers it all finally. He would be the epitome of winning a challenge, and this is where perhaps the term Tube Light has come in. Well, his co-star would be Susu, and we are sure that the film would surely cross its predicted 400 crores. Well, we are all keen to watch the movie, and with such pictures seeping into our imaginations, we can only say that we are eager to see more from the film. What do you say about this picture of Sohail and Salman? Do let us know. Salman Khan and Olia were seen together in Udaipur. So what was the couple doing there? Well, before your imagination runs riot, let us tell you that we guess Salman was there for the marriage of Nepali businessman Binod Chaudhary's son Varun, which took place at Jagmandir. The bride Anushri is the daughter of jeweller Rajkumar Tongia. Well, with rumors of Salman and Ulia having a tiff before the Dabang tour and her not participating in the tour, and this is something Sara Hadke, hai na? Ulia and Salman are a cute couple and we dig their bonding. However, with so much happening, we wonder where else would they be now seen together. The two make a great pair and fans of Salman are more than happy to see them close to each other. However, rumors were rife that it is all over between them. But this picture surely sets our pulse racing again. What say? Do let us know how you feel about Ulia and Salman together.
जी मीडिया में बोल रही थी पहले जी जी आपके और आपकी सिस्टर जो है नाराज है सलमान खान जी क्योंकि डेब्यू की बातें की थी जी 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 हो नहीं पा रहा है जी नॉट एट ऑल ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं हमारे बीच में एंड एक्चुअली वन पर्सन जो काफ़ी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल है मेरी ट्रेनिंग में द सलमान भाई एंड देयर नो एक भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हमारा तो उससे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप देखेंगे आपका डेब्यू बहुत जल्दी 2017 में हम जी आई थिंक जैसे ही मेरे पास कुछ खबर होगी सबसे पहले एक अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगी सिलेक्ट में बहुत जल्दी आपको बता देंगे सर थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू